Hey everybody, welcome to Make It Spooky with Walmart. My name is Emma and today I'm going to walk you through 3 DIY ways to make some trick-or-treat bags with things you can find around the house or things you can find at Walmart. To follow along, you're going to want to have a reusable shopping bag, a white t-shirt, a pillowcase, and a variety of apple barrel multi-surface paint. The colors we're going to be using today are black, timeless gray, princess purple, outrageous orange, and green turquoise. We're also going to be using some Mod Podge fabric. And lastly, a variety of paintbrushes. For our pillowcase trick-or-treat bag, we're going to do some splattering, so make sure to cover your workspace so that you don't get any rogue splatter where you don't want it to be. To make our splatter mixture, we're going to mix a ratio of 1 part water to 2 parts apple barrel multi-surface paint. I love using cookie cutters as stamps. They are great for kids and they have a lot of great seasonal ones around Halloween. If you didn't already know, Mod Podge fabric is a really great tool to prevent fraying in your fabric. We're going to coat the back side of my black cotton fabric here so that it makes it a lot easier to cut out our bats later. Now we're going to apply Mod Podge fabric to our reusable shopping bag to adhere our fabric to our bag. Now we're going to do a really simple dip dyeing technique with water and apple barrel multi-surface paint. We're going to mix a ratio of 1 part apple barrel multi-surface paint to 5 parts water. Now we're making a spiderweb pattern with a ruler and a pencil. And now we're going to paint a little spider to live on our web. Now we're going to turn our t-shirt into a tote bag. First thing we're going to do is fold our t-shirt over. Now we're going to cut along the outside seam of our sleeve. Next thing we're going to do is make the opening for our tote bag. So we're going to follow the collar of our shirt and cut a line right around it. This is where our bag comes together. What we're going to do is cut 1/2-inch strips going about 3 to 4 inches up our bag all the way across our t-shirt. Once our t-shirt is inside out, we're going to tie all of these strips together to secure the bottom of our tote bag. Once the end of your t-shirt is all tied up, go ahead and turn it back inside out, and you're ready to trick or treat. For more project ideas and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com.